From my garden. You can see I'm going to make a fruit salad today, very refreshing for the summer. So guava is good for heart, for digestion, for diabetes. It's good for weight loss. It's anti-cancerous. It boosts immunity. It has got plenty of vitamin C and antioxidant. So it's overall good for the hair, skin, and overall health of the body. So I am taking a guava, not so ripe, and cutting it into pieces and using it for my fruit salad. So next vegetable is cucumber. So I'm adding it with the fruits because it gives a different texture and a taste. So cucumber is good for hydrating your body. It's good for bones. It has got vitamin K. It's good for gut health, diabetes, weight loss, anti-cancerous, and it is very, very good for heart health and keeps you refreshing during the summer. Next fruit is peach. That's my favorite. Peach is very good for lungs and oral cancer. It prevents lungs and oral cancer. It has got vital minerals, potassium, iron, fluorides, vitamin K and C. It boosts the immune system, good for eyes and skin, and good for thyroid and also heart health. That's one of my favorite fruit. I just love it. Next is apple. You know, apples are very good for heart health. It prevents lots of heart diseases, good for diabetes, anti-cancerous, weight loss, and also it's good for brain health and overall health of the body. It has got vitamin C, D, B6, magnesium, calcium, and iron, and also lots of macronutrients and also micronutrients. Next is strawberry. This too is my favorite. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C. It's a great antioxidant, good for diabetes, anti-cancerous, overall heart health, prevents stroke. It has got magnesium, good for heart, and also it's good for many diseases. It's an immune booster and it is good for overall health of the body, good for eyes, skin, hair, etc. So this is also one of my favorite. I love all fruits, so I am okay with everything. This is watermelon. It's so refreshing in the summer. It has got many essential nutrients. It's good for hydration, digestion, weight loss, overall heart health. This is also anti-cancerous. It has got plenty of lycopene, vitamin K. It is good to control blood pressure, and it also boosts immunity. So these are the fruits I have added. Along with these vegetables, I am adding finely chopped basil. These are good antioxidants and antibacterial properties. It is good for skin and hair. It's good for digestion, and also it's good for detoxification of the body. This has got plenty of macronutrients like calcium and potassium, and good for kidneys, and also good for worm infections. So here in a bowl I am taking guava, bite-sized pieces along with the seed To this I'm adding cucumber, 1 guava and 2 cucumbers, 2 peaches, 1 apple, skin removed. You can also eat it with the skin as you like. Strawberry, about 10 to 12 strawberries. A piece of watermelon, all bite-sized pieces. You can also add honey if you want, or sugar or brown sugar, whatever, or any other herbs if you want. I'm making it simple. I'm just adding basil to this. Just give it a good mix. I will also compromise the sweetness. I'm adding basil here. I'm also adding 2 teaspoons of white vinegar. So the sour taste of vinegar goes along with the sweetness of the fruits, and it gives a very good taste. Here I'm adding the vinegar. You can also include any other herbs you have fresh. Just make sure that they are fresh, because for summer this gives a very good refreshing snack or a meal, you can say. I take it as a meal. For lunch I just take fruits. So whatever fruits is available at the season, that is the best. So always wait for the season and use seasonal fruits. You can also refrigerate it after you make it and then take it as cool. I am also adding a pinch of salt so that all the sour taste and the sweetness and the saltiness all mix and give a good taste. Also the sweetness and the liquid is released when you add salt. So this is just a quickly made recipe. So whatever fruits you have, just cut it, add some herbs and just eat it. So this salad is ready, my fruit salad. So I'm just taking it in a bowl. So you can see how refreshing and colorful this is. Definitely try this recipe at home. Especially it's good for the Texas summer. Rejuvenating and refreshing. This is for my husband. So we are both going to enjoy. You can also add ice cream over it. In whatever way you want, you can add it and relish it. Hope you like my video and my recipe. Do try it. And please do like it, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to my channel. That way you motivate me always. I'll be seeing you in a new recipe in my next video. You can see how colorful and refreshing it looks. So eat it immediately. Or if you want to refrigerate it, just do it for half an hour or an hour. Don't keep it for too long. That way it keeps its freshness. So I'm going to eat it without refrigeration, immediate. Thank you all for watching.